Good morning, dear children. Welcome in SST class. Children, chapter number 5, the Southern Plateau. Reading is completed, exercises part completed, and today we are going to do the question answers from page number 39, part D. Total 7 questions are there. So today we are going to do only 3, 1, 2 and 3 questions. Okay. Before that, just have a recap of this chapter. The plateau region of our country lies to the south of the northern plains. It is roughly in which shape? Triangular in shape. It is roughly in triangular shape and broad in the north side, narrow towards the south. There are mountains and hills on 3 sides of this region. This region is rich in minerals also. And this region is mainly divided into 2 parts by which river? Narmada river. Okay. The Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. And children, so we have to do now question answers. Okay. So let's start doing question answer. Write down question number 1 in the notebook. So children, at first you have to write chapter number 5, the Southern Plateaus. Question answers from page number 39. Today we will do question number 1, 2 and 3. So, okay. So, start writing question number 1. What do you know about the shape and situation of the plateau region? So, you have to write the shape and situation. Okay. You know that the shape of plateau region, that is triangular, roughly triangular in shape, this region. And we have to write the situation also. Okay. So, let's start writing answer. The plateau region of our country lies to the south of the northern plains. Right, as you know, here are the northern plains. You can see here northern plains and इसकी south में जो हमारा ये region है southern plateau. Okay, you can see. So here northern plains and in the south of northern plains the southern plateaus. So okay, so to the south of the northern plains it is triangular. It is triangular in shape. So clear? And there are mountains and hills on 3 sides of this region. Okay children, as you know, you can see Ravli range here. You can see Ravli ranges and Vindhya ranges, Satpura ranges, here Western Ghat, Eastern Ghats and here Nilgiri hills. Here Rajmahal hills are also here. Okay, so there are mountains and hills on 3 sides of this region. So it is clear. So now we'll do next question. Name the 4 parts of the plateau region. You have to write the 4 parts of plateau region. So answer number 2. So you have to write answer 2. Okay. The 4 parts. The 4 parts of the plateau region are, so you have to write all the 4 parts. Number 1, the northwestern part. the northwestern part, the northwestern part. Number 2, the northeastern part. The northeastern part. Number 3, the central part. The central part. Okay, and number 4, the southern part. The southern part. So these are the 4 parts of the plateau region: the northwestern part, the northeastern part, the central part, the southern part. Okay, now children, write down question number 3. List 5 minerals found in the Chota Nagpur plateau. So you know that this region, plateau region, that is rich in minerals. Okay, and we can find so many minerals here. Okay, and so we have to write only 5. And answer number 3: coal, iron, mica, manganese, and bauxite. Are the 5 minerals found in the Chota Nagpur plateau. Chota Nagpur plateau. Okay children, so you can write other minerals names also that we find in this region. Okay, so this region is rich in mineral wealth. Okay, so you have to write the names, right? So children, today you have to write question number 1, 2 and 3 in the notebook, and you have to learn. Okay, tomorrow we'll do remaining questions, question number 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, bye bye children.